In this demo, we'll explore how AI is transforming the legal industry, focusing on document classification, a critical process for managing the overwhelming volume of legal documents. The integrated AI workflow encompasses document classification, recommendation, and document understanding, working together to improve efficiency and accuracy in legal operations. Today, we'll delve into how automating classification reduces manual effort, structures data effectively, and empowers legal professionals to focus on strategic tasks and informed decision-making. The legal profession is one of precision and detail, but it is also one of immense complexity. Consider the immense volume of documents a legal team must manage daily: contracts, discovery materials, filings, and correspondence. Each document holds the potential to influence outcomes, yet manually sorting, organizing, and analyzing them can be an overwhelming task. Legal teams face challenges that directly impact their efficiency. For instance, handling discovery requests often involves reviewing thousands of documents under strict deadlines, creating pressure and a high risk of oversight. Similarly, historical legal data, often stored across decades, remains underutilized because it is neither categorized nor easily accessible when needed. Administrative tasks, such as pre-sorting documents for case assignments or filtering out irrelevant materials, add to the workload, delaying critical case progress. Additionally, staying updated with legal precedents, a vital part of building strong arguments, is a resource-intensive process given the dynamic nature of the law. Today, we'll explore how AI-powered workflows, specifically document classification, are transforming these challenges into opportunities. By automating the categorization of legal documents, we not only enhance efficiency but also enable legal professionals to focus on what truly matters, delivering results for their clients. Let's walk through the data flow in a simple yet effective way. We begin with documents from various sources. This could be emails, databases, APIs, or files like PDFs. These documents are first pre-processed, meaning their content is prepared and structured for further analysis. Next, we use an embedding model, which converts the document's content into a unique numerical representation, like a digital fingerprint. These fingerprints are then matched against predefined categories stored in a vector database. Think of this database as a well-organized library with clear sections for categories like contracts, evidence, or correspondence. Once the best match is identified, an AI-powered language model steps in to classify the document based on this match. The result is a highly accurate categorization process that allows legal teams to focus on the insights they need, rather than the tedious work of manual organization. Let's look at how AI-powered document classification transforms legal workflows. This system automatically categorizes incoming files, such as evidence, depositions, or correspondence, allowing lawyers to focus on strategy instead of manual sorting. In eDiscovery, AI pre-groups materials into categories like relevant evidence, privileged documents, or non-responsive data, speeding up reviews and reducing oversight risks. It can also classify documents by jurisdiction, state, federal, or international, ensuring quick access to applicable precedents. Files can be grouped by client or matter ID for logical organization, enabling faster retrieval of critical data. Additionally, AI can tag high-risk terms, such as indemnities or penalties, helping legal teams prioritize high-stakes reviews. The target system shown in our data flow diagram represents where this data is ultimately sent. It could be a centralized data lake or another repository where classified documents are stored logically, ready to be retrieved for further analysis, recommendations, or reporting. This structure ensures that classified data is not only well organized but also easy to integrate with other legal tools and processes.